So most of the tutorials on this channel are based in Java. So you're going to have a development kit installed on your machine. If you are using Windows, this is the tutorial to help you install it. But first things first, if you want to support this channel, give us a like and subscribe. I'm going to use this virtual machine that I downloaded from Microsoft, but it should work the same way on your system. The first step is to download the JDK. And we are going to select the Oracle site. This link is going to be on the description. One thing that you need to know is that there are many development kits, and what we are looking for is the standard edition one. The latest one available at this time is 13.0.1, so we're going to download that one. And to do that, we need to accept the license agreement. And then we are going to select the bin.exe file, like so. And we are going to save it. And now that the download is complete, let's open the folder. Let's run it. We are going to accept changes to the computer. Next. I'm going to leave at this default location, but you can select any other location that you'd like. And that's it done. We close. And this is the install done, but there are a few configurations that are still needed to make this work all the time and for all our cases. So I'm going to open the command prompt by writing cmd. And there are two commands that are very important to make sure that we can run from the command prompt. One is Java, and the other one is javac. As you can see, none of them execute at this time. So let's close all of this for the time being. The first thing to do is to set the system variables. So we're going to go into settings. And we are going to write environment and edit system environment variables. We are going to click on the environment variables. And in the system variables, we are going to look for the path. We click edit. We add a new one. And we browse for the folder where we installed the JDK, which in our case was in C, Program Files, Java, JDK. And we select the bin. Okay, OK, and OK again. And now we test again. CMD, Java, perfect. javac, perfect. This is Java installed and configured on your Windows 10 machine so that you can now do the rest of the tutorials on this channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get notifications of the next tutorials.